Hi everybody, I'm so excited the kits are back in stock. We used to have kits, and then when COVID hit, we had obviously some supply problems. Our kits have finally come back today. Our business, by the way, just kept on going. We still were selling out of everything. It's been an amazing time for us at GelMoment, but personally, I'm just really glad the kits are back because I think it makes it so much easier to get started as a customer. So there's 3 kits and I'll go through and show you what is in each one. The first kit that we have is called the beginner kit. So it comes with a 2-finger light. It comes with the nail cleansers. It comes with the removers, 1 polish color, and then a nail file and the cuticle pusher. Now I'll open the lamp so you can see how big it is. It's a 2-finger lamp and it takes about 60 seconds for it to dry on your nails. So you can see the size of the lamp. It's like a little 2-finger size lamp. So this kit comes at $77 Canadian. That gives you a good idea of what you get in the beginner kit, and it's great because it's all you need, and the polish will last you about 20 polishes, so it ends up being about $2 per manicure, so it's a really good price. Okay, the next kit is what we call the professional kit. So this comes with a professional lamp. It's a 4-finger lamp, 3 polishes of your choice, the removers, and also the nail cleansers, 2 full files, and the cuticle pusher. So the difference with this lamp is it's a 4-finger lamp. I'm just going to see if I have one here. I can show you. That's open. Yeah. So what's better about it is 45 seconds. So you can see the size is a little bit bigger than the 2-finger. So you can get 4 fingers in at a time, and you have to press the button on the top. But this is a really nice option as well, and this one is retailing at $144. So this one's good. You get 3 colors and that you get to choose. So then the third kit, probably my favorite, would be the deluxe kit. So with this kit, you get the deluxe lamp, which I will show you. You get remover clips, which clip on, and you can use it with the remover pads to take off your nail polish, and they just snap right on. It's nice and convenient. The nail clipper, 3 polishes of your choice again, cuticle pusher, and the removers and the nail files. So I will go and I'll just grab my lamp for you so you can see. And I like this lamp because it's also really good for pedicures. So this lamp, you just slide in and you don't have to press any buttons. It just automatically goes on. So it's very much like a salon style lamp. And it's also, like I said, really awesome for pedicures because you don't have to bend down and do anything. You just paint your toes and put your toes in 45 seconds, you're done and out the door. So this one retails for $180 everything in. So very, very worth it. Again, you guys, it's so much cheaper than going to the nail salon. It's like $2 and I think 30 cents to get your manicure done at home. So a really awesome option. And yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your day.